Hello, I'm Lance Zimmerman with the CattleFax Closing Bell, brought to you by Zoetis. The fed cattle cash market entered June at $143 per hundredweight and has improved nearly $5 in the last 2 weeks. Wholesale beef prices have moved in the opposite direction. The spot market USDA composite box beef price started the month at $230 and has moved roughly $1 to $2 lower in recent weeks. The result is packing plant margins that have eroded an estimated $40 per head during a time of year where profitability for processors generally increases. Not unlike other segments in the beef industry, packer margins typically have a strong seasonal component to them. Losses are more typical during the winter months, but transition to profitability in the summer with improving beef demand and increasing fed cattle supplies. Wholesale beef demand has likely reached its highs for the year in May. The result will be likely steady at best summer box beef prices as supplies tend to increase through summer. Supply increases, however, were relatively limited in recent weeks. Over the last few years, fed beef production has pushed to around 425 million pounds in May and June. As of May 2014, only 2 weeks of production were more than 400 million pounds, but average production for May and June has been less than that. Year-over-year supply declines will likely remain common over the next few years, but a seasonal increase in summer beef production is still expected. The result of these two trends, steady to weaker beef demand and steady to increasing fed cattle supplies, will likely keep packer margins thinner than usual through the summer. Without a change in these trends, packer margins are going to continue to run narrowly through the next few weeks. It will also create a buy and sell environment where packers will attempt to buy cattle at lower values and work aggressively to sell beef at higher levels. The challenge is that the supply fundamentals of the marketplace may not allow them to make significant progress in either effort. The fed cattle market was mostly $2 to $3 higher this week. The South traded cattle from $147 to mostly $148 per hundredweight, while sales in the North ranged from $148 to $150 live and $235 to $239 per hundredweight dressed. Relatively light trade volumes and exceptionally strong summer demand due to recent rains have bolstered prices for all classes of replacement cattle. Feeder cattle values were $4 to $5 higher on the week, calf prices were $4 to $8 higher, and slaughter cows traded from $1 to $2 higher. Box beef cutout values were mostly steady with lackluster interest, and the Choice Select spread narrowed on stronger Select product prices. Corn prices continued to fall as relatively good growing conditions continued. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.
The beef business has never been for the faint of heart. The pressures are real, the risks are high, but the opportunities have never been greater. So how do you sort through it all to decide which way to go? For more than 40 years, CattleFax has led the way. Become a member at www.cattlefax.com. We're the time-proven leader in research, analysis, and information, equipped with the industry's most powerful database. Our team is impartial, objective, our vision is global, and our focus is you. CattleFax, the deciding factor.